given up. Okay. Okay, first thing I check. Guys, first thing I check, does one side equal 0? Huh? Yeah. Does one side equal 0? Okay, is there a GCF?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get rid of it. Help me out with the last one. Guys, come on. 24. Okay. Then I factor. So I need two numbers. They have to add to 2 and times to negative 24. 6 and negative 4. Good job. You guys are getting so fast. Okay, so my factored form is 3 p plus 6 and p minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so now this is like last time, right? Michaela, Tyler, up here. Like last time, right? Except I have an extra piece, right? Because now I have the word solve there. Okay, what do I do with the GCF when I solve? Use your quadratic tacos.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Get out your green tacos so you see. Do you have notes from last time? What does it say?
It doesn't have to do anything with the equals.
Yeah, very good, Hudson. The GCF never is an answer. And if you can't remember that, start using your notes until you get the hang of this. But there's no P in the GCF, so it is never an answer. Good. But then I'm going to take my two factors individually and set those equal to 0.
You just always like do the opposite.
You can, as long as
It gets to 0.
there's a GCF or A is 1. That's not going to work on ones like number 5 and 6.
Wait, so why is it again?
It's just the pattern doesn't work because 5 and 6, they have a number in front of A squared, but it's not a GCF.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
So what happens to the 3?
On this one,
Yeah.
because there's no P by the 3, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything. Okay?
So like the only way that GCF would be out there is if like it was initially a P used.
Uh-huh. Yep. Okay, good. Anybody remember how to factor this next one? Anybody remember how to factor the next one?
Something that'll add to 0 and multiply to 9.
This is a factoring trick, not the box, a factoring trick. It's our difference of squares factoring trick. We got to change it to be minus a negative 9. Excuse me. We're going to change it to be minus a negative 9. Okay, I think once I go through the trick, it'll remind you. We spent a whole day on this. It was your guys' favorite thing.
Oh, why?
Okay? Now, these are the ones where I can just, if the middle term is 0, I can just square root each piece. So I know it's going to be R plus and minus 3I. You can, but this one said specifically to solve by factoring. So I'm trying to remind you how to put it in a factored form. Okay? Question? Caitlin, was that a question? I just didn't hear it. Okay, I'm going to keep moving. Okay, so now it's factored, right? So now I'm ready to do what?
Make it 0.
Yep, make each factor 0.
So when it used to be 3i negative 3i.
Yep. So R equals 3I and negative 3I.
Where's my pen
On 3, there's a typo. It should say equals 0. Okay? All right, why don't you guys take a second and try 3 and 4? Okay? Why don't you take a second and try 3 and 4?